Welcome to Wordsmith Education's SAT English Mastery. Today we're diving into the craft and structure section of the SAT reading test. Think of this section as unlocking the author's toolbox. You'll learn to see how they use words, connect ideas, and build their arguments. We'll cover the different question types, the strategies you need, and even work through some examples together. Ready to get started? Let's go. Words in context, unmasking meaning. First up, we have words in context questions. These might seem simple at first glance. They ask about the meaning of a word. But here's the catch. They're not just testing if you know the dictionary definition. They want to see if you can figure out what a word means based on how the author used it in that specific passage. Let's say you come across a sentence like, "The speaker felt a profound sense of elation." The question might ask, what does the word elation most nearly mean as used here? You need to become a word detective. Look for clues in the surrounding sentences. Maybe the speaker just achieved a major goal, or they received some great news. These context clues help you understand that elation in this sentence means a really intense, deep feeling of joy. Next, we have cross-text connections questions. These are like puzzles that ask you to compare and contrast two different passages. Imagine you're reading two articles about the same historical event, but they have different perspectives. Your job is to figure out how those perspectives differ and why. You might be asked about how one author might respond to the statement of the other. You also might be asked where the two authors might agree on a certain topic. The key to acing these questions is to become a master of evidence. Always back up your answer with direct quotes or specific details from the passages. Think of it like building a bridge between the two texts. And lastly, let's explore text structure and purpose questions. These questions are all about understanding how authors organize their ideas and why they make certain choices. You might encounter questions asking about the purpose of a specific sentence or phrase. For example, you might see, which choice best describes the function of the underlined question in the text as a whole? Or, what choice best describes the main purpose of the text? To answer these questions effectively, you need to pay close attention to the building blocks of the passage. Look for transition words and phrases that signal shifts in focus or introduce new ideas. Understanding the author's purpose is crucial for these questions. Ask yourself, what is the author trying to achieve with this passage? We've covered the three main question types in the craft and structure section: words in context, cross-text connections, and text structure and purpose. Remember, these questions are all about understanding how authors use language to build their arguments and convey their ideas. Over the next few lessons, we'll break down each question type in detail. We'll explore specific strategies, work through practice questions together, and give you the tools you need to approach these questions with confidence. Let's conquer the SAT together, one question type at a time.